wanted to take a quick second and show you one of our products in our new core catalog. If you haven't heard, we just released our core catalog for 2018, which is a catalog of items that will be available all year, and then we will also have seasonal items launched throughout the year, 4 different times. But again, the core catalog, what's great about it is it's going to be around all year, which is a new thing that Pasha is doing. Before, they might have a scent come out in January, but then it's gone by July comes around. So that's one reason why I'm super excited about this product, because it is one of my absolute favorite scents, and I know that I'm going to be able to get it all the way until next January. So without further ado, I'd like to show you Sassy Uma. This is Sassy Uma. She's citrusy and sassy and just a little bit sweet and made of hopes and dreams. Absolutely wonderful. I want about 20 of these. I want to bathe myself in this scent from head to toe, which technically I can't because there is a fizzy scent. There is a Sassy Uma fizzy, which maybe I'll get that the next time I buy some fizzies. Who knows? So, I kind of mentioned already that she is a wonderful sassy scent of sweet orchard citrus. You can tell by the packaging there's obviously some orange in there. She has our coconut oil, super moisturizing, and our signature apricot kernel oil, which means that she has our non-greasy formula. So you can put this on and you are good to go all day. You're not going to leave greasy fingerprints on your phone. You're not going to feel the need to just, start wiping off on your clothes. You can continue with your daily tasks. So, I love this scent. I think it has like a little hint of vanilla. Personally, it kind of gives it that creamsicle depth of scent. You really get that citrus, that nice bright scent right away, and then it kind of mellows out and you kind of get the sweet afterwards, kind of an undertone. And this is one of those things that I think everyone needs to have 1 or 10. Personally, I would go for 10. And it's definitely, I think, a staple for everyone's little pampering routine. A Big Fat Yummy is something that, again, a staple. Everyone should have 1 Big Fat Yummy. If maybe citrus isn't your scent, grab a different scent. I can help you pick one out if you'd like. But for me, this citrus scent, I don't know who's not going to love this citrus scent. And vegan, paraben-free, no SLS sulfates. There's aloe. It's nice and soothing. In the winter, I personally get some really dry, like on the sides of my hands or my fingertips, right on my nails, and my cuticles get super, super dry. So I'm going through a lot of Big Fat Yummy hand cream. And the fact that they just released Sassy Uma means I'm going to be smelling wonderful and feeling wonderful for the next year at least. And I can't wait to show you more from our core catalog. So stay tuned. I have more to show you and more exciting things in store. So thank you guys. Bye.